This is Apple's new iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max. Hi there, my name is Sam from Versus.com and today we want to show you the new iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 mini. We had the chance to get an early hold on these two new Apple devices before its release. Let's find out what these phones are capable of. Let's start straight away with our review. Let the facts speak.
Sam, hold on.
What?
It's just a dummy, man.
Okay. Well, these are just dummies, but that's how the new iPhone 12 Pro and 12 mini are supposed to look like. I gotta say, I like the new edges of the new iPhone. I'm not sure if I like the shiny metal on the iPhone 12 Pro though. But like I said, these are just dummies, made from plastic. The actual phone will look different. The real metal will give it a different look. The back of the phone is similar to the old iPhone. The camera system has the same look. The fact that there will be a mini version is for a lot of people very interesting. It has the same size as the iPhone 5 or SE, which a lot of people really liked. The back will be made out of glass though. The question is, what do you think? Do you like the new design of the iPhone or do you prefer the old design? Be sure to let us know in the comments below. We will find out how the new iPhone will actually look like in a couple of weeks. We will do a full comparison by the time we get a hold on it. Till then, stay tuned. If you liked our video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Take care and see you soon.